Hello everyone, I am Atomy's curator, Hei Ji-yoon. I'm sure you've all heard of anti-aging, right? Today, I am going to explain about de-aging. De-aging is moving beyond anti-aging, which stops the time of the skin and cares for aging that already took place. Today, we are going to find out exactly about de-aging with absolute skincare. So, we have 6 types of skincare products in front of me. There were 4 existing technologies that many were aware of. High purification technology that concentrates active ingredients, fresh herb extraction biotechnology for freshness, fermentation technology that improves skin absorption, and last but not least, multi-liquid crystal capsule technology that improves delivery power. So this is skincare with 6 technologies that added 2 more technologies to the existing 4. And Atomy used green tea essential water instead of purified water because it has an excellent antioxidant effect. Even the starting point is different at Atomy, right? Let me explain slowly while showing you the products. So first, let me show you the toner. So it is 150 millimeters, quite big, and this is premium skin brightening toner. It contains Bifida ferment lysate, which is an ingredient that fermented Bifida lactic acid bacteria, which is considered as beneficial intestinal bacteria. It is very difficult to extract and only a small amount can be extracted. It has a flexible ingredient called high-content emollient, and one of its characteristics is creating a flexible skin. Let me try applying it. So this is a light gel type. My first impression is that it's very moist when I applied it. And this is the most powerful absolute ampule. From now on, you can think of the products as having the core technologies. Excluding the 4 existing technologies, it has 2 other technologies involved in it: material technology and delivery technology. First of all, high-purity EGF, a high-end ingredient that underwent functionality testing, is extracted accurately and quickly with this technology. Second, dormant technology. This technology was inspired by the sprouting of a date seed 4,300 years ago and developed. The phenomenon of growth being stopped temporarily and then germinating again was applied to the skin by this technology. So that's how you can stop the time of skin. Isn't it amazing? Third, Yosemite ferment filtrate. At the Yosemite National Park in San Francisco, there's a ferment lysate filtrate that cares for the turnover cycle of the skin with the skin substance that is produced by metasequoia that is more than 100 years old. You can think of it as a treatment. Lastly, our skin consists of dermis and epidermis, and there is a layer called DEJ that serves as the foundation for skin elasticity, and protein is needed to strengthen the structure. And Atomy used lupin peptide that blossoms in the wild. Such an extraordinary material technology and delivery technology were combined. So, the technology that accurately targets skin troubles is right inside this ampule. Isn't it amazing? Let me place it on the back of my hand. So, the essence of all essence is on the back of my hand. It applies smoothly to the skin and provides hydration, which is its characteristics. So, if you alleviated skin problems with the ampule like this, we should boost skin elasticity with the serum, right? With smaller particles of the microemulsion ingredient filling your skin thoroughly and improve wrinkles with this serum. Let me try applying it. I just applied the ampule and applied it, and still it adheres well. It finishes off lightly with good adherence. So, if you filled the inside healthily, shouldn't you strengthen the skin barrier as well? Next is lotion. So, the lotion has a lamellar structure, which is similar to the dead skin cell layer of the skin, and so it is soft. Let me try applying it. Oh, it is very soft. Can you see it with your naked eyes? The glow and softness. So now we can strengthen the skin barrier softly. Next is eye complex. We should provide special care for the areas around the eyes, right? As sensitive as they are, you must be worrying about wrinkles. And Atomy caught 2 birds with 1 stone, anti-wrinkle and brightening effects. With absolute code, the efficacy was stabilized, and so you can use it stably. Now you can stably protect the skin elasticity of the eyes. Oh, and make sure you apply it to the areas around the eyes, excluding the eyes. Lastly, the nutrition cream. It not only improves skin regeneration through the mixture of highly concentrated high nutrition ingredients that are similar to skin lipids, but also passed the clinical trials for facial lifting. All the skincare products here passed clinical trials. But I was actually more attracted by the fact that this passed the clinical trial for facial lifting. The feeling of being taken care of from face to neck at a beauty salon. I guess I'll be able to receive high-quality skincare at home. Let me try applying it. As soon as you apply it, it's not only smooth, the whole area glows with an elegant finish. That is why I want to name this set an elegant composition. My skin is actually quite white, but it's very thin, sensitive, easy to have skin problems, so I couldn't use just any product. Atomy passed Derma test of Germany, which is actually very difficult to pass, and so I can push my worries aside and use it. And by winning the Jung Young Shil Award, it was recognized for not only the active ingredients that provide skin improvement, but also as an innovative technology for its special delivery technology. You all know that whoever starts first becomes the winner in skincare, right? Now, with great ingredients, great technologies, reliable by passing the clinical trials, absolute skincare. Start caring for your skin right now. You are with Atomy's curator, Hei Ji Yoon.